In this video, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to both create lines and edit them within your design. Let's start with creating a line. To add a line, go to the Add Ribbon menu and click on the Add Line button. Once selected, move your mouse cursor into the viewport and position it exactly where you want the line to begin. When you've found the right starting point, left-click to place the first endpoint of the line. Now, as you move your mouse across the viewport, you'll notice the line dynamically stretching and following your cursor. This gives you full visual control over both the direction and length of the line. When you're satisfied with how it looks, simply left-click again to place the second endpoint and complete the line. There's also a faster and more fluid way to create a line. After selecting the Add Line tool, instead of clicking twice, you can click, hold, and drag your mouse in one continuous motion. As you drag, the line will form in real time. When you release the left mouse button, the line will be completed instantly. This method is often quicker and feels more natural once you get used to it. Now that we've covered how to create lines, let's move on to editing them. One of the easiest and most intuitive ways to edit a line is visually. To do this, hover your cursor over one of the line's endpoints. Once you're over it, click and hold the left mouse button, then drag the endpoint to a new position. This allows you to precisely adjust the shape and orientation of the line. If instead you want to move the entire line, position your cursor anywhere along the line itself. Then click and hold the left mouse button and drag the line to a new location. As you move your mouse, the entire line will follow. When you release the mouse button, the line will stay in its new position. For more precise control, you can use the line's Properties panel, which is located on the left-hand side of the interface. In this panel, you'll find fields for the X and Y coordinates of both the start point and the end point of the line. By entering specific numerical values, you can position the line with a high level of accuracy. In addition to typing values, there's a more interactive and engaging way to adjust these coordinates. Next to each X and Y field, you'll see thumb wheel controls. By clicking and dragging these controls, you can incrementally adjust the values. This allows you to fine-tune the position of the line in a very controlled and tactile way. Using these controls, you can independently adjust the X or Y coordinate of the line's start point, giving you precise control over where the line begins. Similarly, you can adjust the X or Y coordinate of the endpoint, allowing you to refine exactly where the line finishes. Using these controls, you can independently adjust the X or Y coordinate of the line's start point, giving you precise control over where the line begins. Similarly, you can adjust the X or Y coordinate of the endpoint, allowing you to refine exactly where the line finishes. This combination of visual editing and numerical control gives you a powerful and flexible way to work with lines in your designs. Now it's time to put this into practice. Open up DEX and try creating and editing lines yourself. The more you experiment and practice, the more confident and efficient you'll become. Practice really is the key to mastering design in DEX.